The Leica Roteo 20HV is the ideal rotating laser for basic users. Its easy-to-understand keypad is intuitive to operate. With the wall mount bracket, the height of the laser can be exactly adjusted manually. The free access to the laser head permits quick alignment of the laser beam in the scan mode. The package includes a complete set of accessories for interior works with remote control, wall mount bracket, and target plate. The Leica Roteo is a great help when checking your plumb line. The plumb beam is emitted from the top of the head and is projected at an angle of 90 degrees onto the horizontal plane. The Leica Roteo efficiently transfers points from the floor to the ceiling. The combination of a vertical 360-degree reference plane and the plumb beam greatly simplifies your layout and staking out tasks. Whole drawings can be transferred into a room step by step. Your interior work progresses accurately and quickly with the all-in-one rotating laser. Horizontal and vertical lines or exact 90-degree angles are therefore no problem. Thanks to this function, you can rapidly and precisely translate drawings into real rooms. The excellent visibility and high accuracy of the rotating laser dot are important quality features for our customers. Along with the power range technology, they make the Leica Roteo family stand out from the rest. Our practical product solutions, for example, the wall mount bracket and the available accessories, such as the remote control, detector, and target plate, allow you to work more efficiently and save time and money. You can work alone without an assistant.